Hey there, AscendTMS gang. It's your favorite AscendTMS guru, Cam, coming at you live, well, recorded live, with an AscendTMS release highlight. We're going to cover the past few releases over the last 30 days or so because we know you're too busy making a buttload of money using AscendTMS to read those pesky release notes that come out. But enough of all that, let's go ahead and get right into these wonderful new features, enhancement, and fixes. First up, for load post settings, we have the new ability to map your custom truck types for each load board, add a commodity mapping specifically for truckstop.com, as well as enhance the load posting modal with hyperlinks that'll bring you right to the equipment mapping inside of your settings. And oh yeah, how could I forget? Both AscendLTL and Smart Tender has been released to the AscendTMS family. With AscendLTL comes an integration with UShip to receive quotes from multiple LTL carriers and book them all within AscendTMS. We have also added yet another factoring partner to our extensive payment network, so give a warm welcome to Quick Pay Funding. In addition, we've also added some fixes in places to Universal Search, moved the NOA stamp for PCG factoring users, enhanced load reporting to be able to search for double-spaced search terms, improved some error handling with our My Carrier packet integration, and squashed a few other pesky gremlins as well. Well, that pretty much sums it up for us here at AscendTMS. We are working diligently around the clock to get you the features you ask us for and make the changes you need to make your day smooth sailing. Make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel to get your release highlights monthly, as well as our other training, how-to, and announcements the day that they happen. If you have any questions or want to schedule some training with our amazing support team members to learn any of these new features or enhancements, feel free to email us at support@inmotionglobal.com.